Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so I got cut off, but I went ahead and got this tag and I trimmed it down, and now I need to cover the back. I went to make myself some cinnamon tea with vanilla creamer. Oh, so good. But yeah, I needed a little something. So okay, we need to cover that. What are we gonna use? We gotta figure out. I have some copy dyed, but this is too hard. I don't think I have. Yes, no, I don't. Some copy dyed paper I don't see. But let's see, what is this? Okay, these are from what do you call it? Not Roxy. From Tracy Fox. There you go. She has a digikit with just different kinds of ledger papers, which is an awesome kit to have for collaging. It moved. No, I need it still. Why am I putting it away? Okay, so where's my taggy? Now, because I'm not planning on sewing around it, I'm going to use some sturdy glue. Actually, no, I'm going to cut it better. I am so tempted to join the 100-day challenge with Roxy. It looks so much fun, but I don't know if I can keep up. And well, I know she already started. So I am tempted. It looks fun. And you get to do a lot of different crafts. You know, ephemera and stuff or other projects. But I know I keep thinking, and it's just, you know, I'm going to be more behind. I feel like if I want to do it, I have to do it now. Okay, so we got that. It's like with the challenge that Nick the Booksmith made of creating a journal in an island, and you only have a certain amount of you know, items to make that journal. I was so tempted, but I only thought about it, and now that thing is all over. I mean, all done. And I didn't get to do it. Okay, so I had my little piece of seam binding here. So yeah, I need to stop thinking and just do it. now we get our little piece back. And there's our cute little tag. How cute! So now we bring this down here. And I want to glue it there. Use it as a tuck. Let me bring this down so I can make it a little more flat. My hand is so shaky, guys. Sorry for that. Actually wasn't as bad. Other times, zoom, zoom, you know. Glue goes everywhere. Hold that for a little bit while I take a sip of my tea. Okay, so we got that there, and so I think that's it. We need to just do ephemera. And that's all the pockets we needed in here. Maybe put a letter. Oh, and I still need to do the pockets on the covers. I haven't done anything there yet. So now I can go back here and put these back in here. Hubby's cleaning up. I told him, you want me to help you? No, it's okay. I'm like, okay. Ran to the room. Okay, so I think we're done with that. Now, yeah, it's just filling it up with ephemera, guys. So let's do that. Oh, and then I got to figure out what I'm going to put on the cover. Okay, so let's move that back. And bring this box here. And start going through the ephemera that we want to use. Oh my God, it's getting so cold in here. My husband, woo, gotta chill, has the AC on and it's cold. I guess because the room's closed, it gets cold in here. Let's see. I think it's, oh, I forgot to have these too. And then some of Shabby. Where? Oh, way on the bottom. This is my little box where I threw everything I think I'm going to use. So we have some of these little envelopes that I haven't glued down, so we need to get these all set and ready. Move this over here for now. Move these butterflies over here. So let's start getting the ephemera ready so we can fill up that little book. And it'll be ready to go. I have two actually. I'm not sure how far I am on the other one, but I know this one's already pretty much done. I just need to do the cover and insert ephemera. These are so cool. Now, am I going to leave this on the inside or leave it on the outside? I kind of like them tuck. So they cover. So let's glue this one down. I'm not sure how far, oops, how far to go on these. The little strings out of glue. Oh, I didn't distress these edges. Oh well. Okay, so we have this one ready. Now let's do this one. So this is the top one. Thinking maybe I should have used the black soot on this one. But, oh well. I don't want to go get it. Okay, so that's the front, so then this is the top one. So these are the ones that have to be glued. Okay, so we have those two envelopes ready. These are, oh no, that's not scraps. So yeah, we're gonna have to make, look at all these. That came with the kit too. I have to distress all of these. And then these larger ones are from the let's see, what are we going to put in each? I guess I'll distress as I put them in. But I got those envelopes out of the way, so let's bring this book back over here. And we're going to leave this for the last because I don't know. I like it like that, but no, I need to pocket. I'm thinking maybe like lace would be nice to use. You know, maybe no, lace. I like lace. I could even use this. Let me see. The same one that I used on another book. What if I was to do that? Okay, that's another idea. We'll leave that for last, like I said. So here I did insert one. I got this large one too. That's pretty. but I don't know if I should do it as like a flip, because it's big. I don't think it's gonna fit in the pocket, but that's pretty. Okay, we'll put that aside for now. I feel like I need to create a ephemera. Oh yeah, we got this little cute one too. I feel like I need to create a ephemera for it. See, this is a large one, and I glued it down to the page. But yeah, I think we need to add some of these and then make some ephemera. Probably my next video will be making ephemera. Leave that one there. I need to put something here too. This is a tuck. We need something large, so we'll leave that one alone. Here, can put one of these too. Put one of these in there. This one needs something. These are too big. See, there's a smaller one. I'm supposed to put a postcard in there, because these are too big. They're gonna stick out. Oh, I was trying to do a little booklet with this. I forgot. Yes, I'm going to do that. That's going to be... But I want to put something inside that little... Oh, there's another one. That little envelope. These are too big. That's too big too. Yeah, I don't see anything. And these are too small. See, this kit came with a lot. I gotta put the link to it, the ones that I use. See, this has a lot of pieces of ephemera that you can use, and you'll still have a bunch left over. But yeah, okay, we're gonna leave that one alone for now. Gotta put a little thread thingies on that. And then, oh, we still need to do that one. Here. Yeah, see, this one won't fit. That's too big. What about something like this? Put that one behind there. Okay, I'm not sure about that one. We need something behind there. Okay. I think I want something bigger in there. Okay, yes, we are going to have to make ephemera, guys. And these, where did I see a belly band? That was empty. That has something in there, but we can tuck this one in there. Right here. We gotta put something in these envelopes, but that can be tucked in there. Okay, so what time is it? 20. Well, we could start making some ephemera. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to you know, finish it, but let's see, guys. That's a little envelope. See, we got some tags here we can finish. Journaling card, journaling card. We don't need that kind of pocket anymore. There's another large tag. So I'm going to pull out. That one won't go. Maybe. Okay, so not those. That can work too. That one. These two can be journaling cards. What is this? Oh, that's the one with the pocket like that. Oh, that'd be cool to make one of those too. Okay, we got that one. Let me see what else I have in here, guys. That's a little booklet style thingies. This looks like it was going to be a journaling card. This one too. Okay, see, we have a lot here to play with, so I don't need to start them from scratch. Sometimes when my mind's not working, I just do, you know, a bunch of little pieces of ephemera, and, you know, to use up the excuse me, to use up my scraps. This was going to be something. We can probably add that there. We don't need any of these. I think that's an envelope. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, that shouldn't go in there. Little pocket. I like this one. I've had it forever. I didn't finish it because I think it's cute. Maybe we'll add it to this one. I have to let it go. Okay, that's it. This one won't work. So I think that's enough. How many minutes do we have? Okay, we're good. Oh, I don't need belly bands. Okay, I think we can use some of these. You know what? I'm going to start with these little tags. So we'll pop these here so we know that's what we're working with. So I have these little tags. I'm wondering if I can make them work. Move this box out of the way. And that's when we're going to start using this kind of stuff. These are too small. That's too small. I really like these, but I think these are too big. But we have to use those, definitely. What else do I have in here that we can use? Butterflies. That was my screw up. Those are cute. These are from the old design shop. Okay. You could add some of these birds. More birds. these? No. These are more... Huh. Well, let's take a play. Let's play around and see if we can make them work. Kind of like this one too. Oh, should have cut that one too. I think it goes with that one. I like that one there. Tea time. Now, do we want to add stuff like this? Yeah, not this one. Where's that piece of fabric I had? There it is. Oh. Yeah, that'll work. Glue. Actually, I should have tore it first. Knucklehead. Oops, I dropped something. Lord. Let's see if we can still do it without messing up the image. Whoops. It worked. Move this out of my way. Okay, so I'm thinking this one there, but I want to stitch around it. What time is it? Darn it. Time flies when you're having fun. Let me stitch real quick, guys. Sorry guys, it's my phone. Whoops. Darn it, look what I did, guys. You see that? That's what happens when you worry about the phone. Oh well. We're going for grungy anyways. Okay, so I'm going to distress this one real quick. 30. Okay. So I'm going to stop right here, and then I'll continue on the next video because it's going to cut off. Thank you guys for watching. You take good care of yourselves. God bless. See you soon. Bye.